Isang Pilipino kada oras ang nadadiagnose nito. At marami sa kanila, seryoso na ang kondisyon at medyo komplikado na ang paggamot. Traidor na sakit, tahimik, kadalasan walang sintomas, pero tuloy-tuloy na palang sinisira ang iyong kidneys. Ang sakit na ito ay isang malaking public health issue sa buong mundo. Nasa 9.1 hanggang 13.4% ang prevalence nito globally. Dito sa Pilipinas, nasa 35.94% ang prevalence rate nito. Ibig sabihin, lagpas na ito sa global average. Ito ang chronic kidney disease. Ano nga ba ang chronic kidney disease at bakit kailangan nating mag-ingat sa sakit na ito?
This is basically when the kidneys have become damaged over time, and when I say time, for at least 3 months.
Unfortunately, most people who have CKD don't know it. This is because in the early stages of kidney disease, most people do not have any symptoms, and the symptoms may appear only until the kidney disease has reached advanced stages.
Ang sintomas ay maaaring minimal lang, kaya madalas hindi ito pinapansin.
So the symptoms of CKD can be as simple as having foamy urine. Very common chief complaint is bubbly urine or mabula ang ihi ko. Other patients would be urinating more frequently as in even through sleep, they urinate frequently, or what we call nocturia. Others have itchy or dry skin. They feel tired. Some feel nauseous or they have loss of appetite. So the symptoms related to CKD may start out as minimal or very minimal.
Kaya't giit ni Dr. Aina, importante ang early detection.
There are a lot of patients who come to my clinic na incidental lang. Nakita may problem sa urine or elevated ang creatinine. It's like that, no? Like I said, wala kasing symptoms ang CKD during the early stages because the kidneys are still functioning adequately. So it's very crucial for early diagnosis. The number one cause of kidney failure is diabetes. This is worldwide. And locally, it's still number 1 too. The next would be hypertension or high blood pressure. The third would be the others.
Ayon kay Dr. Aina, ang iba pang sanhi ng chronic kidney disease ay ang mga sumusunod: glomerulonephritis, polycystic kidney disease, at mga comorbidities na maaaring magdulot ng CKD tulad ng heart disease, obesity, advanced age, kidney stones, family history of CKD, at history of dialysis or renal replacement therapy.
CKD is progressive and irreversible. So once CKD sets in and there's already injury to the kidneys, walang medication na magre-reverse nun to make it normal. So what we can actually do only is to prevent fast progression of the disease, or if at all, kung pwede sana, ma-stop or kumbaga ma-prevent ng further. But with timely diagnosis, appropriate care, and tailored management, kidney survival can actually be prolonged.
Kaya't kung ikaw o ang kakilala mo ay kabilang sa high risk for CKD na population, mas lalong importante ang early detection at diagnosis. Bisitahin ang Capital Medical Center para sa personalized na evaluation at care.